In the age of kings and coins, money was power. But in the digital era, money became data.
For centuries, we trusted banks, empires, and governments to keep our money safe. But trust has a price.
As technology advanced, one question began echoing in the digital void. Can we create money without middlemen?
It all began in the early 1990s, when the internet was wild, open, and free.
A group of rebels known as cypherpunks dreamed of privacy, freedom, and encrypted communication.
They weren't criminals, they were visionaries who believed that privacy was the foundation of liberty.
Their mission? To protect people through code, to replace politics with mathematics.
Several digital currencies were born: DigiCash, eGold, Hashcash. But all were fragile and centralized.
Then, in 2008, the world collapsed. Banks fell. Trust vanished.
Millions lost savings. The financial system's weakness was exposed. Transparency was gone.
And then, in the chaos, came an email.
A mysterious figure calling himself Satoshi Nakamoto shared a 9-page document, an idea that would change history.
It described a currency not controlled by any government, verified by everyone, owned by no one.
He called it Bitcoin.
January 3rd, 2009, the first Bitcoin block was mined. It was called the Genesis block.
At first block, Satoshi left a message, a protest hidden in plain sight.
Bitcoin wasn't built for profit. It was built for freedom.
No one cared. A few curious minds mined thousands of coins, worth almost nothing.
Until one man made history, he traded 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas.
That day became legend, the first ever Bitcoin purchase, now worth hundreds of millions.
From that small moment, Bitcoin stories spread, from chat rooms to the real world.
An open source movement had begun, a revolution without borders.
But with freedom came chaos.
The first major exchange, Mt. Gox, was hacked in 2014. Billions lost. Trust shattered.
Yet Bitcoin didn't die. Like fire, it adapted. The code evolved. The believers grew.
And from that resilience, new ideas were born.
He envisioned blockchain not just for money, but for everything.
Ethereum introduced smart contracts, code that executes automatically, without human control.
It was the dawn of decentralized applications, or DApps, that could reshape business, art, even law.
A wave followed, thousands of cryptocurrencies, each with dreams of innovation. By 2017, the world had caught fire with crypto fever.
Bitcoin reached $20,000. Millions entered the market. Few understood it.
Then greed took over. Fake projects, rug pulls, and panic.
For every innovation came manipulation.
Governments struggled. Some banned crypto.
Others embraced blockchain's power.
And then something historic. In 2021, El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as legal tender.
For the first time in history, a country placed its trust in code.
From billionaires to farmers, crypto became a lifeline, fast, borderless, fair.
But progress came at a cost: energy consumption, scalability, and global scrutiny.
And yet, the dream didn't stop.
The next wave arrived: NFTs, DeFi, and Web3.
Ownership itself went digital: music, art, and even identity.
But every revolution has its storm. The collapse of FTX sent shockwaves across the world.
Billions lost, yet lessons learned. The chain survived.
Out of the ashes, new builders emerged, determined to restore trust, line by line of code.
Crypto isn't about money anymore. It's about freedom, equality, and evolution.
From a nameless email in 2008 to a $1 trillion revolution, this is not the end.
This is the beginning of a world where trust doesn't belong to governments. It belongs to us.